How to use 6-level flame automatic ethanol fireplace. Press the door to open it. No fuel. Insert the straw. Keep pressing the in button 3 seconds to start injection. Filling, please wait. When the tank is full, injection will stop automatically. Keep pressing the power button 3 seconds to cancel child lock. Ready. Press the start button or remote controller to turn on the fireplace. Please wait 4 minutes to control the flame. It defaults to 3-level flame. Three-level flame mode. It is perfect for daily gatherings, and the temperature is just right. 1-level flame mode. 1 leaves dim light, energy efficient, a quiet companion for solitude. 6-level flame mode. 6 gear flames ready for sudden cold waves, instant heating, whole house warming without waiting.